on the ground, putting it down. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey Dee, your host. The scoop is for your education, your entertainment, and your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author, I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white, so you have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. You can go over to Amazon.com. You can go to any bookstore. You can say, I want to get some of those Mickey D books and just get them all. And they say you'll make money, sometimes lots of money. We have books now on gold and silver. How you like that junior silver mining stocks ready to explode? Possible 1,000. Oh, did I say 1,000? Oh, I meant 2,000. Oh, did I say 2,000? I meant 3,000. Possible 3,000. There's a lot of percentages because our junior silver miners are going up right now. And that book was written a little while ago, a few years ago, ready for this explosion that's happening right now in silver. We got it, ladies and gentlemen. They're right in the book right there. You don't have to look any further. They're right there. And we have, I'll show you here in a second. But it's a great time to be a trader. You guys are number one, man. I'm glad you're rolling with the baby knockouts. You baby knockout investors for life. I mean, you're killing it. We're glad to have Kirby Matthew here on board. Thank you, all the new baby knockout investors, all the new. We got an inflow of new people, which is really great. These baby knockouts, we start them at a quarter, and sometimes they go up, and they go up, really big time, big time, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm going to show you a combo stock from our combo trade, which I don't talk about that much. The combo trades, sometimes you have one or two stocks break out. What are the combo trades? Well, they're in areas like kind of breaking out right now. Maybe zinc, maybe a little lead. They've shown over the last 90 days, they've shown a little bit of upward trajectory. So we'll see how that goes. We'll keep an eye on it. But this particular one, I think, is broken out enough because management did what they said they were going to do. What they told us they were going to do, they did. So we have a real soft spot in our hearts for CEOs that tell us the truth, especially mining CEOs that tell us the truth. No disrespect to anyone out there. I'm just no. I'm not throwing shade on nobody out there, but I'm just telling you that we just have a soft spot, in our heart. If I talk to you at a conference or something, and you tell me the truth, and you say you're going to do something, and then you do it, we just kind of like you a little bit. In the Baby Knockout newsletter, ladies and gentlemen, that first stock there in the Baby Knockout, we switched it out because it was not performing. We have another one in there. This is our second time with this CEO, so tread lightly. I think he's going to get it done this time because he's got a better crew and he's got a better project this time. So he bombed out on that other Baby Knockout, 3 or 4 years ago. But we believe in second chances. So some of these CEOs, you can call them rethreads or whatever. Some of these CEOs are really good, but they have projects that are not that hot. So we'll see. We'll take a look. Make sure you take a look at your Baby Knockout newsletter and take a look at that, ladies and gentlemen. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on right now. Bull markets everywhere, and we're loving it. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Stock Scoop, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe. We're going to take a look at this combo baby knockout here in a second. But I did make a reference to junior silver mining stocks ready to explode, possible 1,000% gains. Let's look at this in 5, 10 years and see if there was a digit or two left off that 1,000% gains, ladies and gentlemen. I'm predicting right now this book is going to be legendary. This is going to be a big time book. It was our best seller last month. I wonder why. Could it be silver's going up? And the public hasn't even caught on to this. That's you professionals buying this book. And I want to thank you very much. That's junior silver mining stocks ready to explode. Possible 1,000% gains. Let's take a look here at this combo stock. We're looking at the Canadian symbol. We're looking at Luca Mining, ladies and gentlemen. Now, at under a quarter, CEO then. He said, "This is what we're going to do. That's what we're going to, go through management changes, what have you." And they continued, of course. Um, Luca at under a quarter. We were told that they were going to have two projects, one project and the other project. The other project wasn't even on the map. Wasn't even talking. They were going to get that project in line, and it was going to be. They're going to have two projects. They're going to be producing at two sites, and they're going to have mass production by the beginning of 2026. Now we're coming up to the fourth quarter here of 2025. So they've got a few more months, and we're going to see if this little 25-cent baby knockout Luca Mining can really do what they told us they would do. If you're in Luca, congratulations. Hook, line, and sinker. We bought it, and they've got two gold projects now that are ramping up, and they should do very, very well. We'll see. We'll see if they can tack a little more onto that, ladies and gentlemen. We're holding on all our gold and silver stocks right now. There's no need to sell anything. What about uh, to the uranium sector? We're doing we're doing well with the uraniums, guys. UEC, Uranium Energy Corp, right now, $11.56 there after hour, doing very, very well. You can see bottom left, upper right on the charts, and we're doing very, very well with our uraniums. Shall I throw a rare? I won't throw a rare earth. I won't buy you guys any more charts. You guys know what time it is. We're doing very, very well in the areas that we are doing well. Throw them MP. Never mind. Let me make this short and sweet, ladies and gentlemen. I got to catch a flight. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock School. Welcome back. In the Baby Knockout newsletter, which is out right now, make sure you take a look at your Baby Knockout newsletter. We do name our number one, some of those number one rare earths in there. I'm talking about producers in America for this cycle. The stocks may go way up. They may go up faster than you think they'll go up. They may go up higher than you can imagine, ladies and gentlemen. Our number one tungsten play, our number one antimony play, and our number one scandium play are all in the Baby Knockout newsletter this month, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure you take a look at your September Baby Knockout newsletter. Once again, thank you, new Scoop team members, for being on board here. It's a cold, hard world. There are America, ladies and gentlemen, is turning into haves and have-nots. Thank God that you're some of the haves. And if you're listening to me and you're involved in the stock market, it can't be any other way, ladies and gentlemen. So I want you to really, really knock it out of the ballpark and do your very, very best. Set stops, use your head. When we tell you, when you see these certain things, situations, take action, jump on some of these stocks. Gold, silver right now. This is a history making run we're having here in gold and silver right now. The rare earths, ladies and gentlemen, China has cut us off in order. I'm telling you, semiconductors, military applications, all this stuff. We're running out. We have none. Uranium. The Chinese are building so many nuclear reactors, and the nuclear reactors that we have are going to need uranium. And Kazakhstan and Kazatomprom, your favorites over in that side of the world in the East, have said no mas, no more. So uranium is going to go up. That's why these books that I've written and given you, the baby knockers, I put them in there. Forward research, ladies and gentlemen. This stuff is right now is the time. It's happening right now. Make sure you get copies of those Mickey Dee books, ladies and gentlemen, because I put it right there in your hand. Just because a stock is $10 right now and it's just getting started, you're going to see triple digits on a lot of these stocks. triple digits, ladies and gentlemen, before these cycles are over. So that hit it hard. That hit baby knockouts, gold, silver, hit these hit the rare earths hard, hit the uranium hard, ladies and gentlemen. Even Bitcoin hit it hard, especially on drawdowns, real back, real pullbacks. But that's it for today. Love you. Take care of you and your family. I'll be out I'll see you next week. Have a great trading week, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Love you. God bless you. When you need energy, you need strength, you need guidance, look up, ladies and gentlemen, because that's where you're going to get it. Take care.